Recording in progress.
Hello, hello, hello. Thanks for joining this community. I'm super excited to be trialing this. This has been on my to-do list for what feels like a lifetime. And I just wanted to give you a quick little tour on kind of how to maneuver this thing. So up on the top here, it says community. So in here is if you have any questions or if I post anything, this is where discussions happen. This is where it's like the front page feed for everything going on in here. And when I put a post, I'll have whether it's these different categories. Now, here is the classroom. So absolutely everybody that comes into this community will have access to the introduction to reflexology. And when you go in here, there's 3 different little modules in here. These are just quick little videos talking about reflexology. And then if you want to get a better idea about what is covered in core and foot, these are not the lesson plans that are in the full course. It's just designed to give you a little bit of a demo on what the course is like. And it has the foot course outline, how many spots are left, how to enroll. So if you are wanting to join the next class, you just click this link here, and there's frequently asked questions about the course as well. Now, in the calendar, I'm going to be moving once I decide this is something that I actually want to do. I'll be moving the current students into the platform as well. And the reason I'm doing that is because right now everything is in a Facebook group. That's where the questions are being asked, and I'll show you that in a second. But not everyone likes social media. So to make sure that everyone has access without being required to go onto Facebook, I'm looking at this. Now, in this area, it's the calendar. So for people that are looking to take the course, the next one begins July 31st, and everything is in Saskatchewan time. When you go in here, it should convert it to your local time zone. There's stuff, this is stuff for students. So for example, if anyone enrolled wants to do a written exam, that's going to be in here. And all of the class dates will be included in here, because if you go to classrooms, you will quickly see I teach more than just the foot reflexology course, which will be in here. This is going to be locked for enrolled students only. If you're not enrolled, you wouldn't have access to that course, but there's this is an all-in-one. There's 17 spots left as of today, or at the time that I've recorded this video, to claim the all-in-one. After those manuals are gone, it's going to shift, and so that you will start with core reflexology first. Once you're completed that, then you'll move into the practical training for foot. You have to have core plus foot in order to take emotional reflexology. It's a prerequisite for emotional reflexology. Again, anyone that is enrolled in emotional reflexology will have access to here. And the hand course, the ear course, the foot teacher training course, hand reflexology teacher training course, ear reflexology teacher training course, and the emotional reflexology teacher training course. So all of the students from all of those courses are going to be invited once I confirm this is the platform that I want to go with. But regardless, the next date that I'm going to be enrolling students for foot, which is what most people in here are going to ask me about right now, again, is Wednesday, July 31st. The time after that is August, I want to say 30th. Those are the next 2 enrollment times. I can't see manuals lasting longer than that, but in the event that they do, there's another one in September. Again, 17 is it, and then it's done. And the reason that is because the Reflexology Association of Canada has discontinued the manuals. I won't be able to get them anymore. So I wanted to show you the Facebook group. I always get asked about the Facebook group. So 1 second, and I will give you a sneak peek into that in just 1 second. Okay. Right here, sorry. Share. Why is this not working? It drives me crazy. Okay, share. Oh, okay. So right now, if you enroll in the all-in-one foot course, you're going to get access to the student login. So you go to calyndatriffo.com, go student login, click here, and then you're going to get a login where you'd be able to go in there. Now, inside the Facebook group, I will go. Isn't it fun when things just don't work? Drives me crazy. Where's my groups? There we go. Okay, so in here is the Facebook. So everything that's in here is going to be moved into the community. And so that if anyone has any questions, they can ask them. In the current Facebook group, what happens is if I have information that I want to share with people, I post it in here. Some tips and tricks when somebody registers or passes an exam or graduates, or if I record the live Q&A calls, if there's something happening in reflexology, everything right now goes into the Facebook group. And like I said, it's going to change. And so that everything is going to live locked and loaded inside the emotional reflexology, the reflexology connection community. Like I said, I'm trialing it for a couple of weeks. And if I like it and if it makes sense for everyone, I will shift everything over. And people that have access to the portal on the website will obviously keep that. So if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.